wach mapodi weche mag arita kwe gwengego ka wadhi yiero mag okil en duol mar riwruok mar Okinde yiero chak counties duma mana mami do supreme jola kontaru demo kel kata hait doki Diambo Caroline Kamende kidi jok mamoko po laimo ngith kod chenro maluto mbolo tele kod IEBC Faith Diambo koni yeni en manyiso tia telo makare kod rito pechike ma pachoka mano katiba.
The 2 years will determine the way the Law Society is going to move. So this is quite an important day for the High Court of Kenya, determine the way we will steer the Law Society of Kenya.
The process has been very smooth. As you know, the register of members is divided into sections so that everybody can know from the beginning what polling station they are going to. So for me, if you look at the register, you just see your name. You are at polling station number 3 at Milimani Locals. You come and the process is a breeze.
You are elected on the basis of what your colleagues know about you. But secondly, election did not involve the Electoral Commission. It was purely by the Law Society of Kenya Secretariat.
I did get wind of information by some colleagues that they were turned away while they had a passport, and I was able to have it addressed very quickly.
Uhamasisho wa kiti kile kwamba ni kiti kinachoandika watu kazi kama majaji kuwa discipline. Jambo pili ni kwamba tulikuwa na hali ya shike mshike wakati ambapo LSK ilikuwa inavurutana.